Because since I've been using my gas to protect it,
Be like in the money. Which I want you to be
Pastor Bante.
Mighty.
Pastor Bante. No Allah. You know, I number not the WhatsApp.
That's my WhatsApp number.
But I'm not saying yesterday. No problem.
But I will call you.
No problem.
I'll call you. You're going to say business.
Where you there? You are almost, not that you are.
But if we can tell you, because my waiting to
Alright, sir. Okay. So from the second. Mom, they got them, mom. They got it. Where's she? Okay. Do that.
Are you not? You get from the behind.
Okay. One probably doing probably a video. Then we go to the pyramid and take a picture. But before then, there's something I really want to understand.
Don't worry, I am doing
So let me introduce myself to some of us that does not know me. My name is Princess Onoche. I'm from Agbo, Umbiri to be precise.
Stop giving that glory to Ahmed.
I'm from Umbiri, sir. You cannot be to be precise. So, one thing about the thing is this man is the man of the people. We all know that, right? Yes. And also he loves nature. And that is why there's something he does every single time he has VIP. Goes to VIP. He does not joke with them seeing what he has. Because how I even wish he's the one doing this thing, because the passion, the love he has, he will use to explain. He will give you the genesis, the ground, every tree you see in this compound has its own significance. It was just yesterday I even realized, shame on me anyway, that I just realized that we have a ogbono tree. So I was like, so you don't know we have a ogbono tree? It's on the other side. But I don't want to stress mommy too much. You know, this company is so big and there are different places you can go to. But I'm trying to just take you to the places that also you can take pictures, you can just sit so that you can go and relax and wait for the sandwich to come. But when you go to that where they play golf at the other side, you see ogbono tree. And I don't know the Igbo name, pardon me, but we call it Likiliki, one other food that we call we have it there. You understand? We have olive trees. We have so many trees that you be like, so they have something like this here. You understand? So I just want you to enjoy yourself. I just want you to feel at home. I just want you to embrace the nature, and just anything you see and you want to know about. We go to the tunnel. We go to the tunnel. There's a poolside by this side. There's a zoo. There are different things that you see, but I will just take you to the major one so that I won't bore you and stress you too much because of discussion. Okay. So if you want to take a short video, you can use that at the water fountain. The water is cold. You know, the weather is hot.
So if one more country now to live there. I'm going to use the not to also be. The way it's international.
Wow.
I'm wide the job.
So this place, and you know, Ola being the lover of sports, you know that it's just normal for him to have a pool, to have a table tennis, a snooker, and a lawn tennis. You understand? So this place is a place of sport. And please, let me give you alert. If there's anybody here that does not know how to swim, pretend. If not today, you will swim before you go back. Let me just start jumping inside. I'm off water. Let me just jump inside. This which loves anybody.
This one is
do you know what is going to happen? It's like I'm going to pack my bags. No problem. You have everything. Only you will enjoy this.
The other side.
No, you have everything here. Everything you can think of.
Are you giving me the assurance now that I should start packing my bag?
Let me go back and fold the clothes very well. So enough clothes.
I don't need much now. You just to come and swim. I will stay here for 1 week. Don't give me to let me stay inside.
No, because when I had that, when I won you, and he will promote us. Wait. Instead, they give us another target. The people, do you see how we are there?
Now what do you have
I go talk for this. I'll talk for radio. I'll talk for radio. I'll talk for Facebook. No, this guy is not worthy.
Your followers are repeating.
If we are going to work back, I'm going to go back and enjoy it.
Man, I love this. I wish I knew how to play tennis.
Why you?
Please take photographs.
I want that one and kill Ned.
You meet with him, you tell him. It's very okay.
I want to stay
here. You're welcome. Sorry.
Almost like we can't change now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Powers. Wow. Can you see this? Look at this.
Is it not a landlord?
No.
That is a medicinal tree.
Okay, there's something about this tree that the tree is just to bring people here, and that's because of the way they are two in one. You understand? So it just look very beautiful, and I still don't understand how it was planted. Yeah, it came out like this. Linking to
I got to quite no measure.
But there's a Ikabo is different.
Do you see what this is?
She's observing something. Not between the same
The tree actually moved up. Now this hand come down and became root. Another root again. Yeah. That is what happened.
If you don't understand what this place is,
she's observing when they watch her face.
you see this place. Almighty, you see this tree that came this way. There's something you can do here.
Yeah, in between.
Yes. There's something you can do here. And it's not everywhere you see things like this.
You jump into.
It's not
Everywhere.
everywhere you can see something like this.
Yes. You are
There are
correct.
some sacrifices you want to make now. You need something like this to do the sacrifice. You understand me? You understand me? There's another sacrifice you're going to do. You use this one. Because this one is open. This one
There is a repetition of this here. Not just only here. It's unique here. There is
people that fenced it. The person who brought the idea that they should fence it knows exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah. You understand? That's why they fence it to make it secret. Yes. Yes.
don't worry.
I'm still saying it.
How much you
So allow me come here with my medicine and the people I love want to stay here for me. I want to go round and see what I can do with myself. Actually, with myself. I don't know. You people jump into here. Do you know you can enter or you cannot enter?
Anjuma, no problem.
You can enter.
Yeah.
And you come out with your black.
Come out with your black. Come on,
Not when I'm here. Not when I'm here.
I'm
Yes, the spiritual.
I know. Don't enter here with black, please. If you want to enter, you can enter with colored, but not anything black.
Okay, oh yeah.
are you green now? Productivity.
Come and take me photo.
What is this one?
This one. Very important.
Now you remember? We go make video. We go make ticket.
Uno say Tazara can say it can no.
Closer in between.
And I'm back. And I'm back.
I'm Ogweshi.
And I'm back.
I'm Ogweshi.
Oh, I'm Ogweshi.
I'm Ogweshi. I make sure creative. I saw you black for that.
What about me now? They disown you, your first son.
Chai. Job. War.
Since all my Before he was living like a baby. But now he's an lion.
Omu international, omu worldwide, omu universal. Adigam done, omu. Majestically. Omu is walking majestically. Power. Nature. If you nature na so Ned. Movement.
Not this side.
Yes.
Ne wasiaka. Ona zako.
All the kids, you know.
Animals have gone to play.
Mbana do kwa nebo deputy na anokwa. Deputy my best man. Deputy make my marriage nka your best man. Make my marriage be my best man.
I can be your best man.
Power. Oh we got to. Oh no be adama van. Oh no be adama van. Ndo just southeast.
Lying down, frustrating.
Chief Agada International.
See, this is the man that made things happen. Okay, man.
The best coordinator. Hey.
13 people. See Almighty, Deputy Jesus.
If Chief Agada John Mado, you are welcome. If I for that person boss, why?
In my house, wow. I will be gone.
And also, I've got Jaffa. Oh, come on, I'm idiot. Very bad work.
What's the Germany zoo?
So bad, honey.
Almost was it. Oh, God, no somewhere naked.
So bad.
I've always told you people to stay. You comport yourself. I know. I wanted to take photograph. You are the people delaying us.
Okay, we'll take the photo.
Enough of this joke. Let's
video so we na go sinebe. Almost like we na go sinebe.
I can't give us videos as they were carried my mama.
Omo aje jogo.
Yeah, brothers and sisters. Descendant means that the person is dead and the husband is okay, we are in any day I'm in the group, I will call you so that we'll meet up. If I had had your number, you would have been in this conference and just entered here. And your people, a lot of people came from other states. Both from Ogo, both from Omo, all by Ebeye, all of them. Even their tribe, they are managing them, all of them came. Okay, that one. How many years?
They are all in their department.
You say?
Yeah. How many years is that? How many years?
Thank you. I will move your number. Somebody will contact you. Where is the tortoise there? There is the sea tortoise there. There, one number. Let me save your number.
It's not like you can enter, but they have.
How are you good at it now?
The cow.
There's cow here. Is it cow?
We have cows. We have camels. We have donkey. We have us. So
I can see guinea fowl there.
we have eagle. We have.
You say this one 150 years old.
Closer.
We have all of them. Animals there.
Come and see through my phone.
So you don't
That's the
there's no line. They would have blocked it to go in, but because of the physics on the floor.
Now, lion, I want to see.
Don't worry.
Take me there.
So I can show you the fish pond. From there, we now go to the tunnel and the tower we are done. Well done, sir.
Why would tell you, Jim? Okpo, Apopa, Oguna. Okpo not the sweets. I'm not okay. Why would tell you, be in a castle, Sonazo? Nature, you can't walk on nature. If an cheap pond, man, I'm a deputy, I'm in nature. Oh my lord, oh my god, Ebe mama. Chai. Deputy, I will take you to southeast if I can go. Deputy, I'm going to go southeast. This is what I mean. I'm more wage. I'm almost walking majestically. Chai.
What's the name of this, baby?
Tolo.
Nah, this is awesome.
I just got 4 3 Ostrich, dalo kwano. Uneligani. Ostrich kako no me. Pota kwa gato kwa yanya. Acho kwa enwa kwa mume. Ostrich.
What is it on you?
Unofukwa nke. Wow. This is good. This is nature. This is good. How much you jog? How much you jog? But she come off for front. Oh. Sharp move. Diokwa. I'm post FL now everywhere. I'm gonna post them to go. My Twitter to go, but I'm gonna post them to go. Live and direct with Omo of Obio.
Okay. All right. Okay. See this side now. So whenever you are done with it, you see the last place, which is corner and tower. Let us go and see this now.
Wait. Oh yeah, and all of us will start
One of them one by one. My guy. You know me. Start Bellucci. Start Bellucci.
Another one come with that. I'll just do overdo. Nonsense.
So you said 30 minutes I will come back. Okay. Let's go.
This is the tunnel. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I just dey come. I'm there with the tunnel. Wow. 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 This is good. This is good. This is art. Oh my Chuku. This is art. This is art. This is art. Wow. This is art. Art is life.
All these writings and happenings.
Yes.
These are people, these are members.
Yeah.
These are leaders. Rulers.
Ancient Igbo culture, ancient Igbo artwork. This is it. Senator Ned and nature. Wow, I love this. I love this.
Yes, this is the king, crown king.
Yeah.
This is the king, and this is warrior.
Wow. This is amazing. This is so amazing. Get the caffeine, kind of green now.
Tourism.
Tourism. Wow.
Tourism.
Senator Ned Nwoko gallery. Nke bụ art studio. Ife nchazu ezu. Ife nchazu ezu. Senator Ned and his wife. Senator Ned and family. Let's go, let's go. Are they come and they go?
Don't go that place. Don't go that way very far. You can't come.
You know me, we go back. We dey go the place. Another boy, you know me, we dey go the place. Now I dey go my own. Wahala. Wow. Wow. This is beautiful. Wow. Let's go back. Wow, this place makes sense. So, I just take on. Wow, this is marvel of nature. I beg you. No, Allah. They come down no, because we feel meet Senator anytime. I beg you. Wow. This is so amazing. We are at Senator Ned Nwoko's villa. Sorry for my Jakarta Basile. Okala kanata baby lem suzi ozo. I know na villa Senator Ned. Sharp move. Well.
We are gentlemen from Cross River State. Wow. They are in Delta for the youth competition. So this public sports that commenced about 3 days ago. We just came to pay Call and going. While they were here, I called the governor. The governor spoke with all of them, and they were very happy. Wasn't it?
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you, appreciation.
So these are my people. When I say my people, I mean you're also my people. Also.
Yeah.
You know, but I'm an Igbo man, first and foremost. You know, just like you are Australian. So No, but that's not your. What's your? You have So one thing that we all have in common here is that we are all Igbos. You know, at some point, when we had Eastern Nigeria, we were all together. Wasn't it? Yes. The present day Akwa Ibom, Cross River, were all part of Eastern Nigeria. Yes. And then, of course, Bayelsa and Rivers. Isn't it? Yes. But along the line, after the war, they tried to organize us. Even here, they kept us away from Car people. So we're trying to come. There's a huge movement to actualize that through the creation of a member state. I'm sure you've heard about that.
Yes.
You did?
Yes, we did.
But we didn't talk about that. What did you hear about the member state?
They just read it in passing. They read it in passing.
Okay. Wherever you are, please support the member state creation.
Thank you, sir.
It's one step towards the unification process. After this, we're going to move to inquiry to make sure we get inquiry also back as That's what we want to do. Power. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Identity crisis.